right, welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. We are here for a special 2-night trade event sailing and naming ceremony. If you're interested in more content from Wonder of the Seas, be sure to check out the playlist for that, as well as our original playlist when we were here for the inaugural sailing. Now for today's video, I want to take you around and give you a full tour of our stateroom. This is a Central Park balcony, so let's go ahead and get it started. Our tour of our Central Park balcony room on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas begins right now. Alright, deck 11 port side, just down from the forward elevators and stairs, we will find room 11185. Let's take a look. Here's kind of the overview of the space. We'll get into it in detail in just a second. And per the usual, I will be starting with the entryway here. So you're going to have your safety information on the back. The magnet you can put out on the outside of the door to let them know to make up the room, or you can flip it over. Do not want to be disturbed. That'll let your stateroom attendant know which your preference is. You do have the peephole with the cover there, so you can see who is at the door. And then very important over here on the side, light switch. This is kind of like the overall lights for the ceiling, and then the slot for the room key. So you put your CPAS card in there to operate the lights, air conditioning, things like that. You do have a light right up above here for the entryway, as well as the full-length mirror. Now across from that, we will find a couple of other things. One is the light switch, which is for the bathroom. Two is the thermostat for the room, right there up above, and then of course the door to head into the bathroom. So let's take a look in there. All right, now heading inside to the bathroom space, got the nice tile floor there, and I really like the glass shower. No shower curtain and no like bubble glass. It's like clear glass, and it's a lot bigger. You have the removable shower wand there. It's also adjustable clothesline that goes across from the top there over to there, so you can hang your clothes up. Of course, they got the 2-in-1 mounted over there, the little rack to put soap or razor or other things. There is a little footrest down at the bottom as well. You're going to have your toilet, of course, over here to the side. A little bit of storage down below, and then your sink and vanity. Love the tile work in here. Beautiful blue flowers there. You got your towel rods over here, towel racks to hang up those towels, and then additional storage cubbies over on the other side there, 1, 2, 3, with the glasses, and of course the plug for the electric razor up top there. And forgot to mention when we came in, hanging rods or hanging hooks on the back of the bathroom door. Now, just outside the bathroom, we will see our couch space here. This does not convert to a bed. This is just a standard couch. So this room can accommodate 2 passengers. Put the nice pillows there, and got our towels we can use, for the pool or Coco or whatever. Nice artwork above light as well, so it's illuminated. And you're going to have split closet design here. So one set over there and a set of closet here. Well, not set. I guess they're set together, but a side of a closet, shall we say, over here. So you'll have your hanging rack up above, also a hanging hook there, and then you'll have another hanging bar kind of midway down, and then just storage space down below, as well as the dry cleaning form. Should you need laundry services, they can provide those. And then over this closet, it's a little bit different because you see you have 2 drawers down towards the bottom that pull out, soft close drawers throughout the stateroom, which is really nice. And then the closet door opens, revealing a smaller hanging space that does go down quite far, a little bit of storage space there. And then little individual cubbies, 1, 2, 3, 1 for the safe, 4 and 5 up above. If you're wondering the size of the safe, you would be hard pressed to fit a laptop in there. That's not really going to do it, but jewelry, passports, things like that, you'll be good to go. Across from our sofa, we will have our desk/vanity area with our nice sitting chair and a trash can over there down below. Of course, they'll put all of your appropriate paperwork, things you'll need, shore excursion tickets, stuff like that up here on the desk when you come in. They're also still providing some complimentary facial covering mask as well as hand sanitizer, which is nice. You'll also have some standard outlets there, a European outlet, 2 USBs, another standard outlet, and another European outlet over here on this side, and the light switch which controls the light that goes around the mirror there. Remote for the television, we'll get to in just a second. Now next to that, we'll have this storage space. This is just a gift for our sailing, so pay no attention to that. That was placed. But if you did order any kind of in-room gifts or things like that, you might find them placed in this area. Now you're going to have some drawers here, so you have 4 on this side, which are just standard storage drawers. Pull out like that. They do have some informational books as well as room service menus inside of the top one, but the others are just storage space. Now this drawer will include your hairdryer as well as tissue, and then this door down below opens up, and then you open up this little door to find your mini fridge. So that's that part of the room. Now let's head over into the bedroom area. First thing, we're gonna have our wall-mounted TV and a couple of little hanging pegs. Something interesting with the TV is it seems like that it's firm mounted, like that it doesn't swivel or pivot or anything like that or tilt. But if you actually come over to this side and you pull, you'll find that it does. It has magnets that holds it to the wall, and it's got these like little hydraulic swings on it. So you can access USB ports, HDMIs if you want to plug in like a Roku or something like that like we do, stream at night, you'll be good to go on that. So it just pops out and then sticks right back in, which is pretty cool. And of course, across from the TV, we will find the bed space. The Royal King, when pushed together, or can be split into the two twins. When they split it into the two twins, they put the two nightstands together in the middle, so you'll have that option. But right now, the Royal King, so we'll have the nightstand on either side with the two cubbies down below. This side has the phone and the little table lamp, which does have a USB port as well as a standard outlet. Light switch there controls the overhead lights of the room. No switch on this side, but you will find that same table lamp with the USB port and the standard outlet, as well as the two cubbies. And there is storage space underneath the bed, so if you want to put your luggage under the bed, you can definitely do so. Last thing for the room is what's going to sell this particular category room. Again, a Central Park balcony. So I want to point out we have the day shears drawn across right now. You can also do the blackout curtains that have the blue ombre design on them to block out the light. Now let's head out and check out the balcony. So typical balcony door, you just flip the little handle up there and slide it across. I do like you have the little windows on either side though, and actually not little, they're quite large. Wanted to point out that there is a child safety lock as well, should you need to utilize that. But we'll head out to our balcony space here. It is pretty standard size, but it's a little larger than some balconies we've seen. You do have the two chairs that you can adjust the recline on, as well as the table, and I like that it's a full-size table. Like, it's higher up. It's not just a little end table that you can put a drink on. You could actually enjoy a meal here. And of course, you're going to have the glass panels down below. And then what makes a Central Park balcony? What is that? We have people ask about this. You're not looking out at the ocean. You're looking out to the Central Park neighborhood. Oasis-class ships and soon-to-be Icon of the Seas, the Icon class, will have Central Park, where those are live plants and trees. They're real. It's open air here, as you can see. Completely open air up above. So that is the Central Park area, and that's what a Central Park balcony is. You're going to have the view of that neighborhood. Now, to answer some questions, yes, those are other balconies across. Yes, you can see directly into them. Yes, they can see directly into yours if you do not have the curtains drawn, so keep that in mind. Nice view of the water slides from this room, though, up above, which is pretty cool. And so yeah, it's a nice spot. You're not going to have a view of the ocean here. Boardwalk balconies are a similar setup, but they overlook the boardwalk area, and you can have an ocean view from some of those. Here in Central Park, though, you will not have an ocean view, but you still get that nice open air, fresh air, Central Park, take in the music at night, take in the smells from Chops Grill or 150 Central Park or Giovanni's Italian Kitchen and Wine Bar down there. Oh, so good. Well, there you have it, friends. That is our tour of our stateroom, our Central Park balcony stateroom on board Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Seas. If you think you'd like to stay in a Central Park balcony on board Wonder, or maybe any other stateroom category or suite category throughout the Royal Caribbean fleet, we can make any and all of that happen. As travel agents, our services are completely free to you. We never charge a single cent whatsoever, and you won't pay any more to book with us than you would direct on your own. So feel free to reach out via that travel agent information. You can find it in the description of this video. If you've recently booked a Royal Caribbean cruise within the past 30 days and you're not paid in full, you can transfer your booking to our agency. We'll be able to assist you the rest of the way, and that is also completely free of charge. So we hope we'll hear from you soon. Once again, if you're interested in more content from Wonder of the Seas, be sure to check out the rest of our 2-night trade event playlist, as well as our original 7-night playlist from the inaugural sailing of the ship, including the full and complete ship tour, which will show you every single public space on board this ship. And we have tours coming up, a video with tours of all the other stateroom categories on board the ship as well. That will be separate from this video, so be sure to look for that. Once again, I want to thank you for joining us for today's video. We're signing off. See you next time. Happy travels!